time is 6:29 p.m. Good evening. The news headline: Top Nigerian celebrities who have pledged support for Biafra. The news in full. Some Nigerians who are celebrities have one way or the other shown their participation in the struggle for Biafra state. Their participation shows doggedness and support, which comes in various forms, either by expressing hope for the actualization of IPOB for the Biafra state, or by calling on the release of the arrested leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, who was rearrested by the federal government in July, despite knowing for a fact that their career may be at stake for speaking out. These celebrities, all of them from the eastern part of Nigeria, have been unwavering in their actions, joining IPOB to advocate for the secession of the IPOB of the Igbo populated southeast zone. Below are the celebrities who so far have shown their support for the secessionist states. Number 1, Chiweta Luagu. Seasoned veteran Nollywood actor Chiweta Luagu on Wednesday 15 September made a bold statement after he was seen rocking a Biafra flag outfit. The Enugu-born script interpreter and producer, known for his indigenous movie, stunned fans by donning proudly the Biafra flag outfit. The 65-year-old comic actor is the first celebrity to publicly identify himself with the secessionist state. And as a result of this, some Nigerians have actually opened up in this regards after this came online, saying that nothing must happen to Chiweta Luagu for actually rocking the IPOB wear. And there were news all around that this might actually provoke some of the government officials to start, or security agencies to start looking for one way or the other to launch an attack or otherwise at Chiweta Luagu. However, people, especially Nigerians and some of the IPOB, have started making an awareness that nothing must actually happen to Chiweta Luagu for doing this, because it is a civic right and is not doing anything outside the law thereof. Also, Rita Edochie, veteran Nollywood actor Rita Edochie, is one of the celebrities that has never for once hidden her unwavering support for the secessionist group, and have continued to use her huge social media presence to call for the release of the group's leader, Nnamdi Kanu, who was arrested and brought back to Nigeria in July, according to the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Mr. Abubakar Malami. In a recent Instagram post, Rita Edochie laid the bare reason for her support, where she noted that Igbos cannot be third-class citizens in their own land, while urging the Nigerian government to allow the Igbos go. Thirdly, rapper Zoro, the indigenous rapper Owo Chimaobi, Chris Matna, better known as Zoro, showed his support by joining his voice with that of others in clamoring for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Although the rapper restrained himself from saying too much, he, however, left the authorities to their conscience. And this is the analysis where some Nollywood actors and celebrities had actually gone against the doings of the federal government of Nigeria, as per how they have for a while now detained Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who happens to be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, who has been at the DSS facility for quite a while now, after he was extradited from Kenya for treason, possession of illegal arms, and the likes. Sometimes in 2017, he was actually arrested by the federal government, and due to some movements by some political leaders and the likes, they were able to secure his release on bail. However, it was said that some military and security agencies actually invaded his home in his hometown, that is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's hometown, where they killed a whole lot of people. About 28 people were claimed to be dead, including his parents were actually injured and attacked as well. And one way or the other, he was able to flee away from the environment where he flew outside of the country. And after that, they have been looking for one way or the other to get him back to Nigeria. And the federal government, the security agencies, and also the Attorney General of the country, Abba Malami, they were able to get him at Kenya with support of some security agencies at Kenya. Although the Kenya's government are actually still denying this fact, that they were not involved in the process of extraditing Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria, because according to the international law, it was actually wrong for them to actually to illegally bring him, extradite him from one country to another. And the Kenya government have been denying this, but yet the IPOB still insisted, because from the account of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when he came around, he illustrated how he was traumatized, he was beaten, he was chained down, and was not even allowed to visit the public toilet, where he had to just defecate on his body. And then he was brought back to Nigeria. And when he was brought back to Nigeria, actually, the AGF, Abubakar Malami, and the DSS, they refused to, let Nigeria know how they brought him from outside the country back to Nigeria, until when his lawyer actually met with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where he now told them how the whole situations happened and how he was tortured, maltreated, and the likes. Without this, many would be in darkness of how he was extradited back to Kenya. And for this reason, some top Nigerian celebrities, just like Agu, who is actually one of the top league of celebrities, actually rocked the old eastern region of Nigeria. He was pictured in putting on a Biafra outfit, wearing a yellow half-sun outfit that was actually for the Biafra, and this was actually stirred about reactions and fear for his safety. And then people have started warning the authorities that nothing should happen to him for expressing his God-given human rights. And also another actor that has been known to join a voice with that of other celebrities that are clamoring for IPOB standing, like the Biafra Nation, is also Rita Edochie, and she has never for once eyed her unwavering support for the secessionist group. And